Hello, I am Niranjan Kesabu. I am in section 11 and my roll number is 20ME10057. So, as a part of DIY activity, I am trying to disassemble as well as reassemble the parts of a Casio calculator and then explain the various parts of it. So, let's begin. So, at present, this calculator is in a working condition as we can see. So, it's working fine. Now, let's turn off the calculator and move on to the disassembly. Disassembling this calculator is very simple. It only requires a 4-star screwdriver. So this is the internal circuit of the calculator. This is the power source. It is of 1.5 volt. And for fitting that, we have also a slot, a cavity here so that the battery can fit in. This is the LCD display of the calculator. So unfortunately, I cannot open this as because here it is fixed. So I cannot view the other side by breaking it or something. So this is the control board of the calculator, and this thing is called the IC of the calculator or integrated circuit. So if we try to open this black thing, what we can see is a small chip. It is called the integrated circuit. And if we view under the microscope, we can see a lot of intricate patterns and all. Basically, they are the transistors, resistors, capacitors, etc. There are millions of them. These are some of the resistors inside the calculator. These small metallic things are the resistors, and these are the circuit arrangement, like I mean the connections of the calculator inside the calculator. And these are the various circuit elements what we see here. And this is the positive terminal of the battery connecting to the calculator, and this is the negative terminal. This black wire here. As a protection to this display, we have a sponge like thing over here. So this is how we prevent damage. In fact, in case some shock is applied to this calculator, suppose the calculator falls down from our hands. So in that case, this sponge protects the LCD display from getting damaged due to the shock. Also, these mechanical supports help the like prevent the circuit arrangement from suffering any big shocks. So let's reassemble the calculator now. So disassembly is complete. Now let's see whether calculator works fine. So it's okay, perfectly okay. We are able to carry multiplication, division, etc. So that's all. Thank you for watching patiently.